scrub off to remove something like dirt, stains, or paint by rubbing hard. She scrubbed off the stains from the floor. I had to scrub off the paint from my hands. Dust off to remove dust by wiping or brushing. I need to dust off the shelves. She dusted off the old photo album. Wipe up to clean a liquid or mess using a cloth, sponge, or towel. She wiped up the spilled milk. Please wipe up the water from the floor. Wipe down to clean the entire surface of something by wiping it thoroughly. She wiped down the table after eating. Please wipe down the kitchen counter. Wash off to remove dirt, dust, or stains from something with water. I washed off the dirt from the fruits. She washed off the paint from her hands. Wash up to wash your hands and face, especially before eating or after getting dirty. He washed up after working in the garden. Wash up to wash the dishes after a meal. Can you help me wash up? Sweep up to clean the floor using a broom. I need to sweep up before the guests arrive. He swept up the leaves in the garden. Dry off to make something or someone completely dry, especially by wiping or air drying after getting wet. She dried off her hands with a towel. She dried off her hair with a hairdryer. Dry out to remove all moisture, deep drying. Let the wet clothes dry out in the sun. My skin dried out in the cold weather. Plug in to connect a device to an electrical outlet or another device so it can work. Can you plug in the charger for me? She plugged in the TV and turned it on. Mop up to clean up a liquid or mess using a mop or cloth. Please mop up the water on the floor. She mopped up the juice from the table. Rinse off to remove soap, dirt, or unwanted substances from something by washing it quickly with water. Rinse off the soap from your hands. She rinsed off the vegetables before cooking. Hang up. Put something on a hook or hanger. Don't throw your uniform. Hang it up properly. Hang up your jacket in the closet. Burn out to stop working because of heat or overuse, usually due to electrical failure. My iron burned out while I was using it. The light bulb burned out. Clear out to remove things from a place to make it empty. She cleared out her closet today. Clear out your desk before leaving the office.